Okay, good morning or good afternoon, everyone. This is Zen Fayaz again for your language class, and today our topic is about English speaking. Okay, now English speaking. When I talk about this English speaking, what do you think of? Oh no, ma'am is gonna talk in English. Oh my god, what to do? No, it's not like that. English speaking has a different, like, it's not related to your knowledge at all. Okay, it's about your linguistics. How many language and um, which accent are you using? Which behavior are you using to say it? Okay, so English doesn't connected with your language. It's not connected with your language now, but it is connected with your language. How it is connected with your language? Your every, okay, every book, every copy, everything, even your pen, even your pencil, even things around you, everything is in English. Any book, any copy, the name of the gas cylinder, the name of the mat, the name of the chair you are sitting on, the name of your laptop, the name of your phone, the name on the book, everything is in English. Most of the things in English. Okay, so that is why English rules. Why rules on all language? Why does it rules on every language? Because you are surrounded by it. It is an international language. Wherever you see, okay, a branded company, okay, known company, a big company, okay, it is all known in the language of English. Okay, so before we start today, tell me, how did you do your homework in my comment section? Okay, and if you have any doubt, please let me know. Okay, today's subheading is misconceptions about English language. Okay, now there are some misconceptions. Okay, I will tell you something that won't, you don't know about. You know about it, but you can't express it. Okay, misconception means it is not logical. Okay, it is not logical to think like that. Okay, so the first of all and the main misconception about in between the people, in between our people, is English is not related to your literacy. Okay, now how English is not related to your literacy? Literacy means the rate of literal you are. Okay, now English doesn't give a certificate to you that you are literate, or you are, well known in your of particular field you are learning about. Okay, but people having a misconception that anyone who talks in English, okay, like regular on a regular basis, means they are something big. They have the authority to do something. Okay, first time I talked in English, students, even the students were looking at me like, what is she saying? And I was like, it's English. Okay, so why it is like the people who speak in English are known as more known as the power and authority of the linguistic? Why is like that people who talk in English are more, referable than the people who don't talk in English? It is because it's not common here. Okay, if you see other places, like places outside Jammu, places even in Kashmir. Okay, so there are some areas where people only talk in English. Okay, so it is common there. Okay, so they don't feel like, oh, she is talking in English. Okay, so some places, there are some places where people don't talk in English commonly. Okay, they are rare. Like 100 में से 1% there are people who talk in English. So there people are like, what is she saying? How? Why is she teaching us in English? And why he is talking in English? Okay, so this is about that. If we make the English common here, so that would be no related from the literacy. The language, the English language won't be related to the literacy anymore. Okay, so try to make it common here. Okay, if you want to make it common, then you have to make it common. Are you getting my point? You are the youth. Okay, this is the first point. Second point is how English is not related to your literacy, and people think that it is related to your literacy. It is far different from literacy. Okay, English is your linguistic. Okay, is a linguistic base. Okay, and literacy is about everything you learn. Okay, so this is about first misconception. Second misconception is English is being speaking in English is being egoistic. Now, I have seen people. Okay, I'm talking this about I'm relating this to my life experience. Okay, so I've seen people who are like, why is she talking English? She's being egoistic. She have ego. Okay, she is like, I am the one and no one else. Okay, what is egoistic actually? What is an ego? Ego means you think you are superior than others and others are inferior. Okay, so if someone tries to speak in English, don't stop them. Okay, if someone tries to speak in English, doesn't mean they are egoistic. It means they are trying to speak, they are trying new things. Okay, and I suggest you to try new things. Okay, try new things, try new places, try new recipes, try new dresses, I don't know, whatever. Okay, so speaking in English is not being egoist. Okay, this is the misconception. Okay, so if someone tries to speak in English, okay, a place where English is not common, so they are like, maybe she is being egoistic, she or he being egoistic, but it's not like that. Maybe they are just trying new things. Okay, so try to speak in English, but don't mean in it. Okay, don't be mean in it. Okay, next conception about speaking English is about the accent. Okay, now when I say the accent, okay, what do you think? Okay, this is my accent, this is how I talk usually. Okay, now there are some people who talk better than me. Okay, I believe and I hope there are some people that talk better than me, and I really appreciate it. But there are people who when you try to speak in British accent, like water, it's bad hard to speak in water. Okay, so they are not a part of a daily life literacy. They are just trying to try new things again, trying to try new things. But the accent depends. The accent means that where you come from. Okay, where you are showing them where you come from, what did you learn, what did you absorb in your mind. Okay, so the accent is most important thing in English. Okay, so only these are the three misconceptions about talking in English. Now I will tell you how we can stop this misconception, which is the stopping misconceptions. If anyone tries to tell you about these things, okay, so just stop them right there and tell them, maybe it's not him, it's about you. Your mind is full of garbage that Okay, sorry, cut that. Okay. Your maybe your mind is full of negativity. Okay, that is why you can't see their positivity. Okay, so stopping conceptions means you have to start speaking in English. This is the only way you have to you can stop misconceptions. When you start speaking English, you will face these things. I am telling you. When you start speaking English, you will face these things. There are always consequences. Okay, even English is a good thing. Okay, there is no bad thing about it. You know you are doing right. People are know you are doing right. Still, you are gonna, people are gonna taunt you. Okay, people are still gonna taunt you even if you're doing the right thing. Okay, so it's not about doing the thing, it's about people. Not everyone wants to see you happy. Okay, so it's about the people. Okay, if people are not supporting you, okay, not seeing you like that, so people are, what are people doing? People are pulling you back. Okay, so people who pulls you back, first of all, remove them from your close circle. Okay, you have a close circle, you live in there. Okay, there are friends, there are families. Whoever try to stops you, let him be their own. Okay, their opinion doesn't matter, their opinion doesn't show that who you are. Okay, that is their opinion, that is their thoughts. Okay, now, no, whoever thought is not correct. Judgment, whoever's judgment is not a judgment. Okay, so try to speak in English. Your homework, write a paragraph about how did you feel when the first time you started to talk in English. Okay, you have to write that the first time you talk in English, how did you feel? Now, how you will write the paragraph? First of all, you have to talk in English. Okay, I know I'm smart. Okay, so this is your homework. I hope everyone is doing well. Okay, thank you, bye.